And you can't stop the rain. You can't stop the
Big
rain.
homie. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck going on, man. I'm feeling this one, man. You can't stop Big Homie.
You can't stop the rain.
Hey, man. Hey.
2 perks and a deuce and a Firework Fago. Disrespect me around this bitch, she gon' get a fuego. Beat a nigga ass until his face was soft like Play-Doh. No WWE, but I slam you and your bitch to a table. You can't stop the rain, you can't stop me coming. I put 6 shots in your face and 12 in your stomach. Got the chopper hiding in the crib like Harriet Tubman. I heard the ops was throwing the party, now I'm finna shoot up the function. You owe me money, you better have something when I pull up to collect. Niggas say we foul as a bitch, that's the technical tech. Halloween masked up, bitch, and I'm coming with the stick. Have you ever dropped a clip just to smack a nigga in this shit? Niggas don't like me, but they still be up on my dick. I used to move dirty around this bitch, now shit legit. I can't fuck with Victoria, too many secrets, you dirty bitch. I bought her plenty pink because she went Kirby up on the dick. The rain. Yeah, no, you can't. Can't stop me neither.
Definitely can't stop me.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Get off your ass, nigga. Go get a bag, nigga. Shit you niggas doing, I been doing. I ain't gotta brag, nigga. Check my stats, I'm a Hall of Famer. Big facts, nigga. I went from an Audi to a Benz, then a Jag, nigga. Then I dropped the fan just to make these niggas mad, nigga. I'm flexing on these niggas cause I got a bigger bag, nigga. You can't keep up because I'm moving too fast. And when I'm backed up, hit in the sport and do the dash. Yo, bitch like a blunt, everybody hit and then pass. Yeah, you niggas thirsty getting with an ugly bitch with ass. I got bricks in the fender, zips in the fender. Yeah, I'm all about that life, I ain't capping, little nigga. Yeah, you can't stop the rain, you can't stop the hoes. Yeah, that money shit and baby got it off the flow, nigga. Yeah, that money shit and baby got it off the flow. Flexing on these niggas. Yeah, I'm icy as fuck. Pockets getting heavy cause I ran it up. Cartier's got a nigga still looking good. Wonder why your baby mama trying to get me head in the hood. Gang shit, nigga.